Hi everyone, a very good morning and welcome to today's market updates. For the last 2 days, we do see the US dollar index consolidating on a Monday, and on a Tuesday, the US dollar continues to consolidate and comes down to touch the support levels of 90.35. In terms of economic news and data, from the UK, it was on the Brexit negotiations, ongoing Brexit negotiations between the UK and the EU. Well, it's been a roller coaster ride for the last 2 weeks. On certain days, there are reports that Boris Johnson is going to walk away with a no deal Brexit, and then again today we have Irish Prime Minister mentioning that a deal could be done by this week. So the UK pound has been, whipsawing or seesawing up and down within a large range of between 150 to 200 pips for the last 2 weeks now. Okay, so that will be the news from the UK and regarding the UK pound. And as for the US dollar index and as for the US economy, markets are still looking forward to the US Congress's approval of about a $900 billion financial stimulus package before this Friday's government funding deadline approaches. Okay, so pretty exciting times. I'm pretty sure we are going to see some action coming out from the US Congress in the next few days. And of course, not to forget later on tonight, in to be exact, it will be on Thursday morning at 3 a.m. We will be having the FOMC statement coming up later towards Thursday early morning, 3 a.m. Okay, so we're going to shift over to the MT4 technical charts. Okay, so back on the MT4 technical charts, again, we do see the US dollar index consolidating on a Monday and also on a Tuesday. So the major move on a Tuesday was bearish, especially during the US market sessions. So when we look at the UK pound, the UK pound was also bullish during the US market sessions, going up 105 pips. And of course, during the UK trading sessions, it has also gone up by about 96 pips. Okay, so for yesterday, the UK pound strengthened a total of about 190 pips, which is pretty impressive, especially for the holiday season, where most traders or bankers are on their usual year-end holiday leave. Okay, so as for the euro dollar finally took a rest and consolidated within a 40 pip range. Okay, from a high of about 1.2167 and a low of about 1.2123. Okay, so the euro dollar continues to be on a bullish trend, and there's a high chance the bullish trend will continue higher, possibly to possibly to another high, looking at anything from 1.2271 to about 1.2331 levels. Okay, so yep, so euro dollar is still on a bullish trend. So moving on to gold prices. Gold prices yesterday moved up from a low of about 1,826 US dollars all the way to a high of 1,854. So yesterday gold prices moved up about 30 US dollars, and as of this morning, gold prices continues to extend its bullish run. Okay. So again, although it's the month of December and technically or theoretically volumes and liquidity will be slightly less, we still do see plenty of movement and activity on currencies and also on commodities such as gold and also oil prices. Okay, oil prices also managed to move up yesterday from a low of $46.68 all the way to a high of $47.85. Okay, so things are pretty aggressive still, moving towards the holiday season. And we also saw the S&P 500 moving up back from 3,643 levels all the way to a high of 3,694 levels. Okay, Dow Jones is also going up, as we can see. Yep. So yeah, still plenty of action happening, leading up towards the week of Christmas and also the week of New Year. Okay, so do not miss out on these opportunities, and I'll see you again tomorrow for the next market updates. Okay, sorry, before I end, just a quick one. Today's economic calendar, we also have some economic data coming out from Europe, the UK, and also from the US. In particular, we will be focusing on what we call as the flash services and manufacturing purchasing managers index data coming out from 4:15 p.m. today all the way until 10:45 p.m. from the US tonight. Okay, so stay tuned on the markets. I'm still expecting some action today. for the UK pound, for the euro dollar, and also for gold prices. Have a good trading day ahead, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for another market update. Thank you.